Hello and welcome to Team One's Project Postmortem, where we take a look at what we achieved, what we didn't, and where we were planning to end up. As you already know, this footage is not of a finished product, and there were also a couple of technical difficulties when recording the program. All this means is that the free camera won't be shown off, and there'll be the occasional stutter not present during normal operation. With that little disclaimer, let's show you what we have. Stop right there. We're currently in the Windows master build, and already you'll have noticed a few features I want to show off. First is our dialogue system, which was up and running and just needed ImGUI components, which we'd already used when hitting a hole in other branches. There's also Fmod, which was fully integrated cross-platform, and a slew of graphical effects such as skyboxes, shadow mapping, and OBJ importing and texturing. Physics and ball controls were fully implemented, and we were starting to add in multiplayer support. You'll have also noticed our particle system, giving our game that extra pizzazz. That's mostly it for Master, but more progress have been made in other branches. Here's a clip of our gravity mechanic. And here's our possession mechanic, and moving platforms that could have their speed altered for our time mechanic. This particular clip is the only one on a non-cross-platform branch, but these features are now present in both Windows and PS4. Speaking of PS4, here's the program running on there. Clearly not all of the graphical elements are present, but shadows, skyboxes, and other post-processing would likely have been a simple addition, as the PS4 framework was based on Sony's own examples, which had those advanced features already implemented. Also on display is level loading. I've raised the contrast so you can see the selection of levels, and these levels were loaded in through an external file and were loaded to a buffer so that had we had time to multi-thread the program, loading could be done in the background. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully I've been able to show you that we had most of our game's components, it was just a case of putting them together. While not present in the branches, we had the majority of assets we would need too. So, looking at the time we had left, we do believe that we would have reached our goal of a finished game. But maybe you think that's a bit of a hollow promise, and I get that. So here's some proof. COVID-19 may have ended our project, but turn those frowns upside down. I've made a little mock-up of what we might have given those 2 more weeks. So this is the only mechanic we had yet to implement, but everything else here already exists in code in one form or another. I think if we were to do the project again, our main focus would be on not branching out as much as we did, focusing on a central playable master branch. But hey, hindsight 2020, and the way we did do it, we managed to create a lot of good stuff. If you think so too, give us loads of marks! Yay! Thanks, bye!